welcome back. What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another edition of COURTMAS. So today we're going to be decorating gingerbread houses. I have two special guests.
It's me, Layla.
And say Nala. Okay, anyway, this is my niece Nala.
Hi.
I thought it was supposed to be like already put together. Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Child.
This is gonna be another time when we're gonna be putting it together.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess we're not gonna be using that part.
Is it good? You're gonna be
Okay.
a snack.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're just gonna decorate. Want me to decorate yours? A little bit? Let's turn it over.
You know what I'm gonna do at the end? I'm gonna do that.
Ooh, let's see. Here you go, Nat.
It's really quiet.
Yeah, maybe we should. Oh.
I'm about to do that because I made a mess. Me?
No, I'm about to ask her mother did she eat today because
She did.
what?
She didn't want her grapes.
She had chicken, Alfredo.
Ooh, I like the red, Layla. We could have Battle of the Doors.
Yeah. And then you guys could say who
Who
won
is
at
the
the
best?
end. So I think
We could do Battle of the Windows next. Because there's no...
now. We have.
Yes, like...
So let's do one window versus one.
And I'll do
roof.
this roof, yeah.
Okay.
Or you want to do the roof?
I think I want to do this.
Okay. No. 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 Here. Let's put some icing on this one. Here, hold this one. What color is this now? White. So I guess you like gingerbread. That's good to know.
I don't think she's really eating it. Just
Yes, she is. Ooh, say
I like
pretty.
Wait, can I actually do the roof?
Say thank you.
should have kind of
Let me try it, because she looks like it's so good. I know it's not that good.
You tried it last year.
Mm-hmm. This really good last year, though. She acting like it's the best. It ain't the best. So here are our final gingerbread pieces of a house.
So I have.
What do you call your creation?
My creation for this is a little tropical Christmas.
Ooh, what are the pink things?
The pink things are representing. I don't know. But the other things, they made it. These are
Say window?
Lights.
So mine is, I put some trees, some hearts. I would call this Queen of Hearts Christmas. Because of the red and the green with the trees. Let us know which one is the best. That wraps up this decorating gingerbread houses with us. Let us know in the comments who did the best job. Was it Nyla, Layla, or me? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Say bye. You didn't do nothing this whole time but eat.